Okay, back to the fireworks. Bring this in, drag it in like that. Decide where we want this. Okay. All right. So now you see all the fireworks start with black in the background. Why do we do that? Because the black is what we can change the blending mode, and the black falls out. So there are blending modes in the layers that remove black. So let's do that here. So here are the fireworks. Go to your blending modes, and you can sort of cycle through them. You can click on them to see what they all do in older versions, multiply, etc. But screen will drop the black. So notice screen, with this layer on screen, it dropped the black so I can see through. That's why all of our design assets with fireworks or special effects, if you go here like this, okay, and I drag this in, yes, there's black. If I change the blending mode to screen, the black goes away. Okay, so we have more fireworks here if we want, just like that.